Hey everyone, I finally got around to doing an update on my engine rebuild for this 1974 International truck. I got the engine installed and it actually runs and drives pretty well. I've been trying to get the choke adjusted so it starts better, but it seems to be a bit of a balancing act. Adjusting it so it stays closed long enough to get started while still retracting by the time it's warmed up and driving down the road has been challenging.
This is the electric choke that I'm trying to test right now. Running 12 volts through it to see if it will spring back properly. I don't know if this is working very well anymore, but as the 12 volts goes in, this coil contracts and opens the choke slowly. When it's cold, that coil should be right up and this should be pressing against the choke, holding it shut. I don't know.
I had to install an electric boost pump to avoid having to crank the engine for 20 seconds during each start, due to the fuel slowly draining back to the tank for some reason. Here, the choke was retracting too soon, so I adjusted it to stay closed longer. That helped. Overall, I'm pleased with the engine. It runs smoothly and the truck rolls along at about 2,500 RPM at 100 kilometers per hour. The speedometer is way off though, so I still need to find a new gearing for the cable. It does sound great though, and that's what really matters. Fuel mileage looks like right around 12 miles per gallon. The engine is now leak-free, mostly. Looks like a small leak still coming from the rear main seal. Can't get them all. At this point, I'm just enjoying driving it. My goal was to make it reliable, and this was a big step in that direction. I installed new tires, and the brakes are perfect, so it's safe as well. Next up will likely be a transfer case rebuild and differentials, etc. Then paint. I'm not sure a project like this ever ends. Always something to fix. But that's what makes it fun, I guess. See you later.